How clear are you about what you need to achieve for 2024? Are you kind of just thinking, oh, I've rolled into the year, not really sure what I'm doing with my business, what I'm doing with my life, why, what my goals are, not really feeling that aligned to them? Or are you really decided that it's definitely going to be this year, that things are going to be different? Well, whichever you are, then I would invite you to join me in February for a Wheel of Life Clarity workshop. I ran a workshop today for 10 fabulous women, all business women who want the next level of themselves, their business. And we went deep into 8 different subjects around themselves. So not your typical Wheel of Life, which would normally be about, health and lifestyle and finances, but actually some more deep structure subjects. Each one of those women came away with knowing the areas they need to focus on to grow their personal development, their business development. So if you'd like that, then I'm encouraging you to join me. It's £49 for the workshop, and that also includes a half an hour one-to-one with me, because it might bring some stuff up when you come and do some of this deep work. And also I want to make sure you get what you need for 2024. So if this describes what you need and you want to do some work with me, or maybe you've even seen me online and you fancy having a go and seeing what it's all about, then you are welcome to join me. I look forward to seeing you there.